This is Opa and Bashy in the waterfall, and Layla trying to get attention. Bashy is absolutely enthralled with Opa, and the 6 babies are here. Oops. Come on, birdie. Come on, Bert. He's still a little skeleton. And there's Brian. There's Jenny, and that's Jake. And Limbe is here, my dog Limbe. Everybody's having fun by the waterfall, even Bashy. Okay, it's water, it's falling, it's a waterfall. Yeah, this is Marty. Everybody's having so much fun. Look at that little skinny boy. Saying, you're big. You're big. Yeah, hi Jenny. You're jumping Jenny. You're jumping Jenny. She fell in the lake already. Hey birdie. Hey Opa. Hi Opa. What do you think of this place, Opa? Yeah, go.